Hella, hella. Get it down. Salibonani lonke. Niyalamukela namhla ku speakndebele.com. Ibizo lami nguNomsa. Ilanga namhla ngumvulo mhla ka 30 kaNkwenkwezi. Thanks Nomsa, thanks very much. My name is Bongani. I am very happy to be here today at speakndebele.com. Today is Monday, the 30th of May. Ngiyabonga Bongani. Namhlanje untando lodumile abakho. Yimi lo Bongani esiyabe silethulela indaba zaliviki. Asingene nini endabeni zethu zanamhla. Thanks Nomsa, thanks very much. That is correct. Ntando and Dumile will not be joining us for the news today. It will be myself, Bongani, and Nomsa who will be giving you the news for this week. Let us get into the headlines. Ngiyabonga Bongani, sifuna ukulikhumbuza ukuthi uhlelo lwethu umina lomzimba wami oqalise ngeviki edluleyo luyaqhubeka liviki. Lizalithola ku website yethu speakndebele.com kumbe ku YouTube channel yethu. Thanks Nomsa, thanks for that. Just a quick reminder, everybody, is that the series we began last week called Me and My Body is continuing right here on our website, or you can also find us on YouTube channel. Yes, the YouTube is Kuluma is in depth. Thanks, and back to you Nomsa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Bongani. Ngubani ongabe ngifonela khathesi? Hello, nguNomsa okhulumayo. Ini? Ha? Ngiyabonga, ngizabatshela. Bye bye. Mahlabe Zulu, indaba ezimnandi ngilitshele kuthiwa uSpeak Ndebele 101 usephiwa mahala. Yebo ngithe mahala, nxa ufisa ukufundisa indebele usungasifunda mahala. Njalo nje nxa ufisa ukufundisa indebele hamba khathesi uyeregister ku speakndebele.com mahala. Ungasubscribe ku channel yethu ku YouTube. Viki ngeviki siyabe sifaka izifundo ezintsha. Ungakhuthelwa. Ayaya, wow. That Nomsa, that is good news. I'm telling you, guys, it appears that if you were interested in learning Ndebele, you are now so very able to do so. Absolutely for free. That's right, for free. And what do we say, Nomsa? We usually say, ungalala uyasala wena. That means you sleep, you lose out. So go now and register there at speakndebele.com. And on YouTube, we upload new videos every week. Don't miss out. Over to you once again, Nomsa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Bongani. Osokusele ukuthi ngilikhumbuze ukuthi lifike ku Facebook page yethu bana ngumngani wethu kumbe bhala emdulini wethu. Viki ngeviki siyabe sikhipha ama video amatsha. Nxa ungafuna ukukhuthela, subscribe ku YouTube channel yethu. Kuwe Bongani. Thanks again, Nomsa. And just to give you the last word before we sign out, we just want to say, come on over to our Facebook page and just friend us there. Also, if you want to know the weekly updates of our YouTube channel, subscribe to us. Okay, Nomsa, I'm throwing it back to you there. Oh, kulungile. Ngiyabonga Bongani. So isikhathi lesena sokuthi sivalelise. Kodwa siyaphenduka ngeviki ezayo lingakhuthelwa. Yimi uNomsa, hlalani kuhle. Bye bye. And back to me, just to wish you farewell for now. But don't you worry, we will be back next week, the very same time, the very same place, to give you another good edition of Speaking Ndebele News Network. Okay, it's me Bongani. Bye bye.